Hey guys, how's it going? How to view Kraken transaction history. In order for this to work out, download the Kraken Pro. The Kraken Pro is the crypto trading app that allows you to see the charts, the analysis, the history, and basically allows you to buy and sell cryptos as well. Same as the app, but the app is like the app functions like a wallet. So basically, in the Kraken right here official app, it works like a wallet. You buy crypto and you can see how many crypto that you can buy and just holding your asset basically. So basically go back to your screen and then go ahead to your Kraken Pro and basically go ahead and click the go ahead and click the notifications at the top right. You're gonna see right here notifications. Go ahead and click right here trading right at the bottom, and you're gonna see the orders, the positions, and trades. And you're gonna see right here like a refresh or timing or clock button at the top right. Go ahead and click on it, and you're gonna see the history of trade, history of positions, and you're gonna go ahead and click again and see the orders, and you're gonna see trades, and you're gonna see the history from here. So basically, you can go ahead to your portfolio as well, and then go ahead and search for the history at the top right again, and you can see the transaction history throughout the year. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.